Okay guys, continuing our beginner's guide for playing Valorant. So pagpapatuloy natin. This time naman ay ang ating tatalakayin or i-discuss is about map callouts. So for this tutorial, ang gagamitin nating map is Ascent, no? Isa sa mga favorite kong map. So sisimula tayo sa pinaka-umpisa ulit, no? Which is the spawn or spawn kung naman bigkas niyan, no? Defender side spawn kung saan dito na bubuhay yung mga team, no? So for this instance, itong tinatayuan natin, ang tawag dito ay defender side spawn. Sabihin, yung nagde-defend o yung nakabantay, dito sila nabubuhay. This is defender side spawn. At sa kabila naman ng map, since defender tayo, yan. Ito naman ay ang tinatawag na attacker side spawn. So malaki ang importansya ng pag-alam natin or getting to know our map, no? Lalo na kung nagsisimula pa lang tayo upang hindi tayo naliligaw pag inside map na tayo, no? So this is the attacker side spawn and yung kabila naman is defender side. So pag attacker kayo, sa kasama nyong nagre-respawn yung spike at pwede damputin nyo ng isang teammate nyo kung nasa attacker side kayo. But since nasa defender tayo, hindi natin pwede damputin. Yan. Nandyan yan. So, regardless of the map, no, ay merong attacker side and defender side and attacker side spawn. So, ito muna ang mga common place or callouts yung ating pag-uusapan, no? Which is madalas na lumilitaw kahit anong map, no? Regardless of the map, meron ito, no? So, una doon is yung nabanggit natin kanina, attacker side spawn and defender side spawn. Maliban doon is yung mid. So mid is yung center ng map kung saan mabilis na nagkakakitaan yung attacker saka defender. So tawag dito mid. And yan yun dito. Mamaya natin i-discuss yung mga specific map specific callouts, no? Ito muna mga common callouts or spots or location, no? So meron na tayong attacker side, defender side, and meron tayong mid. And yung sunod natin na pag-uusapan is itong main, no? So main is kumbaga primary entrance ng site, no? Siguro unahin muna natin yung site, no? So yung site is yung kung saan pwedeng magtanim ng spike, ng C4, ng bomb yung attacker. Ang example niyan is itong may kulay na to. So yung iba gray, no? I don't know if that's yellow, no? Yellow. From this to this. Ang tawag dyan ay site, no? Yan. So dito pwede mag-plant yung attacker. So meron tayong depende sa map na bilang ng sites, no? In this map, we only have two sites. A site and B site, no? Puntahan din natin yung B site, which is this one, no? So, bawat site ay may specific lang na lugar kung saan pwede mag-plant yung attacker. And the reason behind that, o yung dahilan kung bakit ganun, is for balance purposes, no? Kasi kung masyadong malaki yung map or yung region or yung location or yung area kung saan pwede mag-plant ng spike, ng C4 or ng bomb is mahihirapan yung defender na hanapin yung spike. Kaya for this instance, ito lang ang considered na pwedeng mag-plant ng bomb. Itong square na to. So, after ng sites, ay pag-usapan na natin yung isa pang common location, which is ang ating main, no? So main is the primary entrance to go to site, no? Ang example nito ay itong linya na. This is main. Yan. Kung saan madalas nagko-connecta yung attacker din at defender, no? Yan. Bukod doon, meron ding tinatawag na short, no? So, pag tinatawag na, although hindi lahat ng map ay merong call out na short, minsan ang nagiging kahulugan ng short is yung secondary entrance from to go to site, no? Sabihin, kung ito yung main, ang tawag dito is A main. But we also have A short, which is yung pinakamaiksing daan patungong site. Pero it would be better kung ano yung nakasulat sa map ang ating gagamitin na call out, no? So for this instance, this is called tree, and pag lumabas ka na, napunta ka na dito, this is called cubby. Katulad lang ng nakasulat sa map natin, no? So meron tayong mga map specific na location na pwedeng gamitin natin pag during call out, no? Sabihin, kunyari, may nakita kang kalaban, nakita mo siya dito, tingnan mo sa map ngayon, or pwede mo siyang iping at lalabas yan kung ano yung lugar na yun. Tulad nito, this is mid cubby, no? This one naman is mid top. This one is lobby, and this is catwalk. So even if hindi ka ganong participate sa team mo through stat, no, KDA, is pwede kang tumulong using info. So kung may nakita ka dito, sabihin mo lang one mid cubby, and this one is mid link. Kung may nakita ka, one mid link, ganun. This is B lobby. This is A main, B main, I mean. This one is lane. So although hindi to binibigkas, no, or hindi siya naka-indicate dito kung anong tawag dito. Tawag ng mga player dito is lane. This one is switch. Then sa likod ng site, meron tayong backside, no? Ito ang backside or boathouse, no? Backside or boathouse. Sometimes naman, pag nagko-call out yung kakampi mo, sasabihin nila is yung kung meron silang parang landmark, kumbaga. Kunyari, dito, triple box, no? Then here, double box. This one, ito naman ay galing sa Counter-Strike, no? So dito, ang tawag dito ay city, no? So sa mga naglalaro ng Counter-Strike dyan, alam ibig sabihin ng city, no? Dito kasi nanggagaling yung defender, no? Pero yung defender sa Counter-Strike ay tawag doon sa kanila is counter-terrorist. Kaya ito, ang tawag dito ay city, no? Since malapit to sa spawn ng defender. So this one is city. And dito pala, tawag dito stairs. Dito din. This one is garden. A garden. Yan. Dito. This is tree. Kasi may tree, no? Tapos, dito, double box. And lastly, no? Meron din pala dito, no? A wine. Since, yan, may mga wine dyan. Kaya A wine tawag nila. Then, meron tayo. This one is map specific to. Meron tayong tinatawag. This is map specific din na call out. This one is heaven. And this one is hell. No? Basically, dinidifferentiate lang nila yung ibabaw sa kaitaas, no? Kaya sabi, ang ginamit nilang call out is heaven and hell or rafters, no? Pero mas madalas na gamitin to is heaven, and this one is hell, and this one is generator. Pag may nasa likod nito, sabihin nandun siya sa generator, no? And other one is pag nandito naman, ang tawag nila dito is grass, no? Ayan, dahil may mga grass. Lastly, meron pa pala dito, no? Pizza and market, no? Dito, since may mga tindahan dito ng yan, mga yan. So that is all of the call out on this one is mid top right, and this one is mid bottom. So that is all of the call out for. Oh, lastly, meron pa pala, no? Marami tayong nakakalimutan. Window. Pero mostly yan lang mga locations sa map. Karamihan sa kanila is map specific, pero meron din sila lagi ng mga common call outs tulad ng main, site, city, which is ito, and this one. Yan. Pag malapit na sa defender side spawn, yung iba natatawag na nila tong city, no? So anything na malapit dito sa spawn na to is maaari nila matawag na city, no? So that's it. That's most of the callouts na ginagamit specifically sa Ascent, no? Pero yung mga common callouts naman is maaaring gamitin sa ibang map, no? So that's it, guys. That is map callouts. Makakatulong na kayo although nagsisimula pa lang kayong matuto ng Valorant, no? So that's it. If you learn something from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys on the next vid. If you have comments and suggestions, pwede comment nyo na sa baba, and try natin mabasahin yan, no? Replyan, and maybe even feature it to the next to our next. So that's it, guys. See you guys on the next vid, and God bless us all.